Are you ready to unlock the power of Google Pay on your iPhone? In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to step and use Google Pay effectively in 2025. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Download Google Pay. First, head over to the App Store and download the Google Pay app. It's free and easy to find. Just search for Google Pay and tap Get. Step 2. Set up your account. Once installed, open the app. You will need to sign it with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it directly within the app. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 3. Add payment methods. Now, it's time to add your payment methods. Tap on payment methods in the app menu. You can link your debit or credit card by entering the details manually or scanning your card with your camera for convenience. Step 4. Verify your cards. After adding your cards, Google Pay will require verification. This might involve receiving a code via SMS or email. Make sure to complete this step to ensure your cards are active. Step 5. Make payments. With everything set up, you're ready to make payments. To pay in stores, simply unlock your iPhone and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. For online purchases, select Google Pay at checkout and confirm your payment. Step 6. Keep track of transactions. You can easily manage your spending within the app. Go to the activity section to view all transactions made through Google Pay, helping you keep track of your finances. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Google Pay on your iPhone seamlessly. Enjoy the convenience of quick payments and track your spending effortlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy paying!